In a world filled with everyday conveniences, we often overlook the intricate craftsmanship behind the objects we rely on. Think, for example, about the air conditioner. As we seek relief from sweltering summer days, we often take for granted the cool comfort it provides. Behind its sleek exterior lies the work of dedicated professionals who design, manufacture, and install them in our houses. The same goes for cars, coffee machines, houses, planes, and our beloved internet. Somebody manufactures, builds, and maintains everything around us. However, these frontline industry workers operate in risky and dangerous environments with a high probability of injuries. Every year, around 60 workers die in the Netherlands due to an accident at work. To prevent such severe accidents, the operating factories employ last-minute risk analysis, or LMRA. It is a short procedure that workers perform every time before starting or resuming the work. Due to the repetitive nature of this procedure and the impracticality of conventional LMRA cards, workers lose their vigilance, which can lead to an accident. Stark Learning is a specialized e-learning development team that designs and develops educational solutions to promote safer work environments. Recognizing the existing challenges, they embarked on a mission to enhance the conventional LMRA approach by incorporating a modern digital tool. The prototype developed during the graduation project aims to create a user-friendly mobile application that simplifies the routine and on-site LMRA procedure. It utilizes augmented reality, or AR technology, to educate users during the intake process. To achieve this, the prototype incorporates two distinct user flows: a digital checklist and an LMRA AR onboarding. The digital checklist is targeted toward experienced workers that know how to perform LMRA and require a handy tool to support them throughout this process. The user flow of the digital checklist begins with a login screen, allowing workers to access their accounts and track their LMRA history. Then workers will be able to immediately jump into performing an LMRA by clicking just one button. Throughout the process, workers will take photos of their surroundings to create a proof of LMRA conduction. In case the hazard was found during the LMRA, the tool will forward the user to the hazard report application, also developed by Stark. Based on user testing, the target audience is skeptical about gamified motivational strategies like leaderboards. Instead, the tool motivates users to perform LMRA by showing them how many more LMRAs they need to complete before reaching the required amount. After the LMRA is done, the workers can start working safely. The second user flow is AR onboarding, and it is targeted toward workers that just graduated from MBO schools and starting to work in the factories that employ LMRA. The AR onboarding user flow provides a microlearning experience by presenting a short educational video to the new workers. After the video, users will read through a short briefing to recap everything in the video and therefore remember it better. When the briefing is done, workers will perform the LMRA in augmented reality using the recognizable task, making a cup of tea. They will be walked through every LMRA question and perform an activity in AR that will explain what kind of action is expected during each of them. The goal of this part is to ensure the procedure flow understanding by new workers. The experience provides clear audiovisual feedback when a certain item is selected.
Correct. Correct.
If a user makes a mistake, they will be advised to open the work permit to learn what they have to do.
Incorrect.
The work permit explains what actions are expected from the worker during a specific LMRA question.
Correct. 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 Correct.
When the LMRA is done and all hazards are removed, the tea can be finally made. With the help of this newly created tool, frontline industry workers will be able to first learn and then apply this knowledge in real factories to ensure their safety.